Alright, this is a walkthrough of the 2011 Workhorse truck, 32 foot long. The kitchen was built in 2022. All top of the line products. All the refrigeration is true. This is from the driver's side, driver cab on the driver's side. All hooded vents, Econ Air. Fryers, all Vulcan, 4 of them. This is a working unit. I work with it every weekend. We have a 6 burner stove with oven, also Vulcan, all fire protected. These are 42-inch Ember Glow char broilers. I just keep them covered up when I'm traveling. This is a 72-inch flat top, 6 burner Vulcan, dual hooded with fire suppression on both sides. Out the back door, fire pool, soap dispenser, paper towel, your sink, 3-compartment sink, storage rack, half refrigeration unit, also true, warming area, 2-drawer. This is your fire suppression system. It is actually in date. Like I said, this is a working unit. It's fully operational. 42-inch sandwich prep. Also true. Top of the line, everything. I love this vehicle. If you're a chef, it's something you enjoy working with. Once again, another true unit. An overall view. Everything is in working condition.